Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the math session. Already we have learned 1.1 exercise and 1.2 up to the 5th main. So today I am going to solve second question from 5th main. Okay. The topic is rational numbers. So NCERT. Next session number 5. Okay. Exercise 1.2. Fifth main. So what is the fifth main question? Find 5 rational numbers between. Find 5 rational numbers. Find 5 rational numbers between the following. Between the following. Question number 1 I solved in the earlier session. Now question number 2 is minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Okay, we now find the 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. So look at the question. First, minus 3 by 2 as it is, what will do? Multiply 3 into 3. One time numerator and one time denominator. 3 3s are minus 9, 2 3s are 6. Clear? Now take 5 by 3. 5 by 3 as it is, what we should do? Take its denominator. Into 2 divided by 2. 5 to the power 10, 3 to the power 6. Now minus 3 by 2 and this side 5 by 3. So we should check out. We should check minus 9 to plus 10. Minus 8 by 6. Minus 7 by 6. Minus 6 by 6. Minus 5 by 6. Minus 4 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6, 0, 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 5 upon 6, 6 upon 6, 7 upon 6. So 7 upon 6 will not come. So up to the 6 upon 6 means we can write up to the 9. 8 upon 6 and 9 upon 6. These are the rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 to plus 5 by 3. So what I have done now? Multiply this denominator to numerator and denominator. Multiply this denominator to numerator and denominator. Both the sides will get same denominators. Later on we can easily write the rational numbers between the given two numbers. Okay. So shall I run this? Same next question. 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Fifth main. 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. What will do? The answer 1 by 4 into this denominator 2 by 2. Next one 2 1s are 2, 4 2s are 8. And take this one 1 upon 2 into, take this denominator 4 by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 by 8 and 4 by 8 is there. So 2, 3, 4. Only one rational number will get here. That's why. Again, second step. Therefore, 2 by 8 into. So 5 rational numbers we need. That's why right here 6 divided by 6. To this number only. 6 2s are 12. Here 6 are 48. Same number will carry forward. 4 by 8 into 6 by 6. 6 4s are 24 divided by 48. Now check out 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. We can write this much of rational numbers. Therefore, so what is the first number? 1 by 4, 2. 1 by 2. So what numbers will come? 12 is there. 13 by 14. 14 by 48. 15 by 48. 16 by 48. 17 by 48. 18 by 48, 19 by 48, 20 by 48. Next term, 21 by 48, 22 by 48, 23 by 48. How many he has the? He has only 5. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plus we go. If you need still more, you just multiply more numbers. We get the remaining rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So just copy the answer. Okay. Now I will go to the sixth main. The sixth main is write the rational numbers. Sixth main. Write down rational numbers. Write the 5 rational numbers. Write the 5 rational numbers greater than -2. Greater than -2. So answer is the rational numbers are so -2 is there. So more than means what? -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means here there is no denominator. We can write 1, 1 because the rational number is in the form of a by b, but b is not equal to 0. That's why in a number line, 0, -1, -2, 1, 2, 3, 4 will come. Correct? So -2. While coming right to the left, the value of the number will become decrease. That's why -1 is more than -2. 0 is more than -2, 1 is more than -2, 2 is more than -2, 3 is more than -2, 4 is more than -2. However you want, you can write, but the number should be more than -2. Cleared up? But we should try any one denominator. That's why I have mentioned here 1. Okay. Now 7th main. Write the rational numbers. Write the 10. 7th main. Write 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. and 3 by 4. Look here, we are totally dependent on the denominator, not on the numerator. But here 3 by 5 and 3 by 4 is there. Both the sides are having same numerator, but don't judge the rational numbers by taking their numerator. So we are totally dependent on the denominator, but here denominators are different, right? Here 5 is there, this side 4 is there. What to do? So first one, solution, take 3 by 5. 3 by 5. So how many rational numbers you want? 10. But here, what is the denominator? 4. Multiply 4, divide 4. Means we have to make the denominator same. 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. Correct? Next one. And the side 3 by 4 is there. What to do? Multiply this 5. 5 by 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 12. 15 is there. 12, 13, 14. Only how many numbers will get? 2 numbers will get. That's why carry these numbers. Therefore, 12 by 20 into, how many numbers do we want? We want 10 rational numbers. So what you will do? 12 and 10s are, you can do divided by 10. How much it will become? 120 divided by 200. So the same number you just take down. 15 by 20 into 10 divided by 10. How much it will become? 150 divided by 200. This time also we got same denominator. That's why, therefore, 3 by 5 and this side 3 by 4. The rational numbers are 120 to 150. 30 rational numbers are there. Out of 30, you just write 10 rational numbers. 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. What is the denominator? 200, 200, 200, 200, 200. So denominator becomes same. Okay. So still how many we can write? Up to 150 we can write. 130 is there. 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140. So these are the extra rational numbers because he asked us only to write 10 rational numbers. Clear? Okay. Your exercise number 1.1 as well as 1.2 is completed. Have solved all the sums. So there is no homework questions. That's why you just practice the questions. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.